Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to see detailed information about all the wireless networks in your area, or I should say within range of your computer. We're going to be using a free tool called WifiInfoView. So it's just a zip file you download, extract it, nothing to install. Then you just run the executable, which I have going here because it takes a minute to kind of find everything in the area. So it's sourced by SSID by default. You can see I have some blank ones here that don't have an SSID. Looks like there may be some smart TVs or something like that. Not sure why they don't have an SSID, but you can see there's a lot in range of me. And your location will be highlighted in green by default unless you turn it off. So you got various columns here: SSID, MAC address, signal quality, the channel, the company of the device, who makes the device, if it could find it, router model and name, what's the type of security it's using, the speed, the channel range, if it has WPS support, when it was detected, start time, signal quality, if it's connected or not, MAC group. So a lot of information. Then you could just click on one and it shows you some element ID information down here. And then you have some options up here. So if you want to see just the channel summary mode, this is full details by default. So if you want to see something like channel summary, you could do that and just see a summary of the channels, companies. There's all kinds of stuff there. Sort every update, automatically scroll down on new item, put in the system tray, change the font, MAC address list. If you want to put in a MAC address, personal MAC, not a personal MAC address, but your own MAC address from this list, and then give it a description or a name, then it'll show up in the description column over here to kind of make things a little easier to read for you. And you have your advanced options. If you have more than one network adapter, you could specify which one you're going to use and show only networks detected in the last so many seconds and so on. You could change the way it's sorted. We could also do that just by clicking on the column header, show grid lines, show the lower pane down here, full screen. If you want to export everything to a report, you could do that. So let's just pick a few of them here so we're not doing too many. Like that, if you need to print it out. Choose columns. So if you don't need all these columns, you could uncheck the ones you don't need to see. And you could also move them up and down from here as well, or drag them across the top here to rearrange their order. You got your searches, copy, select all, deselect all. Now create desktop shortcut. This is kind of cool. So let me go to my connection here. Highlight it. Now you can go to create desktop shortcut by BSSID or by access point name. Let's just do access point by name. Say yes. So now I have this down here. So if I disconnect, okay, so now it's disconnected, and I double click it. Go back, now it's connected again. So if you have multiple access points and you want to toggle in between, multiple points, you could just make shortcut icons for them and then just switch, back and forth like that. And other than that, I think that's about it. If you want to clear the list to have it do a rescan, you could do so. Save an item. Let's say we save this one here. It'll save it in the folder where the executable is. Let's just call this test so we can see what it looks like. So that just gives you the details of that connection all in one text file right there. All right, so I will put a link in the description where you could download it. And like I said, it's free. Then you could check it out and just kind of see what's going on your wireless network. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.